As I mentioned, however, system integration, particularly of distributed photovoltaics, equally critical. We don't have time to go through this, but you can imagine this is one example also of a great opportunity for using information technology, controls, sensors, distributed decision-making, all coming together in terms of a reliable, resilient, and zero-carbon system. A totally different approach, very active at MIT, is the issue of converting sunlight into hydrogen and oxygen, splitting water. So here's an example where if we can scale this, essentially all the problems are solved. We have storage built in because the hydrogen and oxygen can be used to make electricity, can be used to fuel for transportation, etc. I'll just emphasize that this kind of work requires bringing together multiple disciplines, multiple activities. As you see there, catalysis, numerical simulations, solar thermochemical cycles, systems engineering, and we have about 30 faculty who are together on a major proposal to bring all these skills together, and I think it's an important part, an important characteristic of how we must solve many of these problems by crossing multiple disciplines and getting people working together on these grand challenges. I will just finish by answering a question that I thought we were all supposed to answer. What are some of the messages to the young generation in the context of this energy system transformation? Well, first, innovate. Now, that kind of reminds me of the discussion this morning of Stan Lai and wisdom. It may be only an encouragement, something that we have to figure out in many ways on our own. But innovation, again, in technology, in business, in policy, it's all these disciplines that our young people are studying that we need to bring together. And then perhaps the analog of Stan's methods, we need to encourage working across boundaries. We just saw that in that last technology, but it is a much more general statement because it's bringing together multiple perspectives and skills that will allow these young people to make these major innovative advances. And it's about embracing a risk-taking environment. And I say this seriously. We need to provide the opportunity to fail because that's what provides multiple chances to succeed. I think these are some of the characteristics that the young people can bring to the table, but it's now for us in our generation to give them those conditions with the opportunity to fail and the chance to succeed. Thank you very much.